Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the animation overlay to your video in CapCut PC. Alright, you're just going to add your video to the track and how to add the animation overlay. So you can select library and go to animation. So you can select the animation overlay template available here, or you can add the animation overlay or the animation you have. So for instance, I already have the animation. I just add the track and put on top the video just for duration the same length, and click on the overlay, then select model overlay. So select overlay, or you can select the mod available here. So and select the screens mod, and yeah, this is the final result you'll have on your video. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.